Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And if you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. So obviously, trying not to drop everything here, I'm going to go through my Ipsy bag and my Boxycharm box for November. And I've used some of the products, so some of them I'll be able to give a little bit more of a review, so to speak. Yeah, so anyway, might as well just jump right into it. Let's see. Let's do the Ipsy bag first. So here's the bag. It's a cute little, it's like a purplish, bluish, indigo color. Maybe indigo. Anyway, so I got the Cake Natural Dry Styling Hair Care, the Do Gooder Residue Free Quick Cleaning Style Extending Volumizing Dry Shampoo. So I'm excited to try that. I wonder. Oh. So that's quite a forceful spray. Ooh. I wonder. Ooh. I wonder if this is the same. They've given cake lotion, and I really liked it. So I'm wondering if this is gonna smell like cake. Maybe. My hair could smell like cake. I think I'd be alright. Like, I'd be okay with that. Because I just walk around like smelling cupcakes all day. And cupcakes are delicious. So is cake. So anyway, we'll see. We'll see. And then, so wait a minute. That's, here's the little insert. I don't know. I never really read it. I just jump in. The next thing is I thought this said pistachio. It is pistachio butter, pistachio body butter, pistachio oil, but it's called Pistache Skincare. Pistache. Kind of reminds me of like, if you have kids, it reminds me of like one of the little squeezy pouches of fruit or whatever. Oh, that is so potent. But it's like, I don't know, do pistachios smell like that? Maybe. It kind of reminds me of a, this is apparently going to be a baked goods video here. It reminds me of those little like almond shortbread cookies. Maybe they have pistachios in them. That's what that smells like. I don't know about that one, guys. I don't know if I'm a fan. I do know. So what was that, 2? And then I got a Trust Fund Beauty. Here's the box it comes in. You never see, oh, there we go. Trust Fund Beauty, and it is a nail polish. And here's the color. On the viewfinder, it's kind of looking like a deep maroon. So yeah, but it's like deep maroonish, almost like a brick red with like a, I feel like it has like an orangey hue to it. So Kiss Kiss Darling is the color. Because I'm pretty sure you can't see that. Okay, moving on. Oh, and I got the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick, and I'm wearing that right now. And I really like it, actually. It's called Out Loud. I was kind of nervous. I was like, not sure if I'm going to like this color. It's like a deep orangey, yeah, just like a deep orangey color. Like, I don't want to say terracotta, but kind of like a really deep terracotta, burnt orange color, but it's not sticky. It went on really nice, and it's got a really neat, like most of the doe foots or the applicators that come in the liquid lipsticks are like that solid, and this one has like a little, I don't know if you can see, it's got a little hole in it. So not really sure what the purpose of the little hole is, because I'm thinking that product's going to get stuck in there, but maybe it like sits in that little hole, and then when you're applying, like it's kind of like a reserve maybe. Maybe. I don't know. I just made that up. It sounded really good as it was going through my brain, but then when it came out of my mouth, it didn't sound so good. And that's usually a lot of things that happen, is things sound really good up here, and then when they hit here and they come out, it's like, didn't exactly come out the way it sounded in here. So, anyway, and then the last thing is the Locket waterproof pencil eyeliner. It is in the color Pearl Brown, and I actually have that on my lower lash line. It was really easy to apply, like it just would glide right on. So it's not like a dark brown, it's lighter, hence the pearl, and it's got like a little bit of like shimmer to it, shimmer. So, and it's nice because it twists up and down. Okay, so that's it for the Ipsy bag. I like that bag. I'm not big on the lotion. So the next thing is the Boxycharm box. I'm super pumped. So I got Lashaholic Luxury Lashes, Instaglam. Maybe that is the lash Instaglam. I don't know. But ooh, this box was like super glittery. I don't know. It kind of reminded me of like New Year's Eve. So maybe, I don't know, maybe it should have been the December box. I don't know. Anyway, I don't care. Glitter. So the box is like super glittery. Ta-da! Well, there's no lashes, but this is what it looks like inside because I have them on. So I'm going to quickly insert a picture of them here. So I really like them. They're like interesting because there's like a long lash and then a short lash and then a long lash and then a short lash and then long section. So the long sections are on the outer and the inner, and I was like, typically when you cut lashes to fit, you cut it from the end. But if you cut it from the end and you cut off the longer section, then you're going to be left with a short section. So then maybe you'd want to switch which eye the lashes go on so that shorter section is in the front, or maybe just cut it from the inner portion if you have to cut them. Thankfully I didn't cut mine, like I didn't have to. I think they went on pretty nice. Like I don't know if you can tell, like it's like short or long, short, long. So they just add a little bit to the, well, they add a lot of it to the eye because I don't have thick full lashes. So for me, you can definitely tell like these ain't my lashes. But yeah, so I'm thinking if I have to cut them, I might go against what you're supposed to do and trim the inner corner part so I'm not taking it from like messing up the shape. You feel me? You get what I'm saying? I hope so. I hope so. So anyway, that was that. And then there is this Gentil Bleu. I hope I'm saying that right because that sounded really fancy. Oh crap. Hold on. It just wouldn't be one of my videos if I didn't forget to like tell you how much stuff cost. So those lashes go for $14.99. They're 100% vegan, falsies, made from premium silk fibers. Gives your lashes dimension, natural looking length and volume. So that's $14. This Gentil Bleu, long lasting intense black color, update your eyes, glittering star eyeliner. Oh, this goes for $5. $5. $5. Oh, that's the Subway, isn't it? $5 foot long. Anyway, so there's the eyeliner. Like I did a really big section so you could see, hopefully, that it's got like glitter in it. I'm telling you, everything in this box was glittery. So it's got like a lot of glitter. Can you see it? I hope you guys can see that. So I used that on my eyes. Not gonna lie, it's been a minute since I've used like an actual pencil liner on the top part of my lashes. I think I'm spoiled with these felt tip pens and liquid liners that make it so easy. So I had to work a little bit. I guess if you were looking at me up close, like if you were all up in my face, you could see it, but I didn't do a thick enough like line, so when I put the lashes on, it covered up part of it. So is it really gonna make a difference if you use glitter liner? Yeah, I probably would use this if I wasn't wearing lashes. So, little tip on that. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. So next I got I love getting flipping brushes in these boxes. Cause I hate paying for brushes, like, I love brushes and it adds up, but I got the the Luminous Eye Set. I was like, I know it's got a name somewhere. So it came in this fancy bag with like this glittery stuff on it, and here are the brushes. So you get 4 brushes for the eyes. And I didn't use these today because I wanted to like show you clean brushes, so I'm definitely excited to use these. Super, so they're smaller, so I'd be able to do like, I would use them more for like precise application. This angled one I'd probably use for under the eye, but possibly even the crease to blend it out. So, and they're super pretty. Like, I don't know if you can see how glittery they are. And they retail for $21. Because Luxie brushes are like fairly expensive. So to get 4 brushes, $21, and in this box costs $21. There's the price of the box right there. I'm telling ya. Okay, and then next, totally forgot to use this on my face. So you get the Cover FX glitter drops, and they're gold, but it's super, so if you've never seen like the Cover FX, it comes in like a little dropper, and then you just, you know, suck up the product and then squeeze the little knob on top. So let's see. Trying to make a mess everywhere. So there's that. Ooh, maybe now you can see the glitter in the eyeliner. So there's the glitter. I don't know if you can see that, but like looking at it up close, like the glitter in it, the reflective pieces pick up the colors around. So like when I turn it, I'm getting more of like the iridescent, like the blues and pinks and greens, and so it's super pretty. Totally was doing my face and forgot that was in there, and then I turn around and I was like, crap, but I'd already put on highlight, so I wasn't gonna add more to it because then I already put some on, so it would distort the actual true color. And that retails for $44. And then last but not least is the Ace Beauté Grandiose Palette. And this is what it looks like. And I'll insert the swatches now. So it's super pretty. I actually use that on my eyes today. So I put the color Jasmine on my lids. So this is what I applied first. And then I put cinnamon in my crease. Oop. I put cinnamon in my crease, and then I added a little bit of this, what's it called, Poppy. I added Poppy, and then I put Jasmine on the lid. So that's what I did. It was actually pretty nice. So I think it turned out lovely. Quite a lovely look. So I'm definitely excited to play around with that a little bit more. Ooh, that retails for $24.99. So yeah, so that's 44. 89, so let's just say 95. So it's well over $100, 95, 105, so roughly like 119. So the total of the box is over $100, and again, it is $21 a month. And they do have a thing now where you can sign up for like the deluxe box. So I actually did that last month. So hopefully that's what I'm getting in December. So I can't wait to get that box and then review that for you. Yeah, as always, leave your comments below if you've used some of these products or whatever. If you have any thoughts on them, leave them below. Let me know what you think. And if there's any type of videos that you want to see, any particular products or makeup looks or whatever, just let me know below and I'll see what I can do. But as always, I hope you enjoy the rest of the day or the evening whenever you're watching this. Bye.